morning. We're here again doing math. Today is my mom's birthday. So I want to say happy birthday. Just kidding. Happy birthday to my mom. Happy birthday, mommy. Okay. We are doing lesson 128. Okay? And it is May 29th, 2020. Here's the tally marks. You need to draw a 3-inch line segment, the date, and what is the day of the week? Friday. Woohoo! And number 1, it says write the number 116 on the place value chart. And circle the digits that says the number of the 100th place. Okay? All right. Number 2. On Mrs. Barlow's lunch graph, 8 children put their tags in the lunch from home row. So, 8 kids pusieron unos tickets en the row, como en la línea de la comida de la casa. Okay? 6 children put their tags in the school lunch. So, 8 niños trajeron lonche de la casa y 6 niños trajeron lonche de la escuela. A veces en unas escuelas tú puedes comprar el lonche. Okay? So, 8 kids, la mamá hizo su lonche y 6 lo compró ahí en la escuela. Okay? So, it says, how many more children eat lunch from home than at school? How many more? 1, 2. Because you filled in 2 here on the graph. 2 more than they had from at the school. How many tags are on the graph? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 tags. Okay, number 3. This is a quarter. From now on, we are going to be studying quarters. 25. What's the next one? 50. Okay? All right. Number 4, this is something completely new. And because we're not in the classroom, it's hard because I would normally check the temperature outside and then we would do it inside. But they are saying color the thermometer to show 30 degrees Fahrenheit. Ustedes muchas veces usan Celsius, pero nosotros en ese lado, we use Fahrenheit a lot more, okay? So 30 degrees. -20, -10, 0, 10, 20, 30. 30 degrees, okay? Carl, I'm sorry. The dogs are barking. Okay, so 30 degrees, and you need to color it with a red crayon. If you have a red crayon, color it all the way up. And I want to tell you, all of this is super, super cold. Cold, it gets cold, it gets cold, it's cold. And then as it gets higher and higher and higher, it gets hotter and hotter and hotter. Like 100 degrees, we're dying. It's super hot. Even after 70 degrees and up, it starts getting very, very warm. And 70 degrees and below, then it starts cooling down. Like 75 degrees is a beautiful day. It's not hot or it's not cold. Okay? Does everybody understand? All right. Okay. Number 5. Maureen wrote a 2-digit number on the piece of paper. She gave the children the following clues to help them guess her secret number. The digits I used are 4 and 6. So, 4 and 6, the first one would be what? 46, right? And then she used another way to write it is 64. The 2 possible numbers are 46 and 64. The number between 48 and 70, what would that be? Would it be 46? No, because 48 is what? After 46. So it would be 64. So you have to circle 64, okay? Number 6, find the answer. 38 minus 10 is 28, okay? 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 8 is, 9 plus 9 is 18. And then here you're subtracting. Remember, you always start in the ones place. Always, 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 okay? Now, let's go to this. This is a thermometer, and this is what tells us we can look at this and say what the temperature is outside. So if I look at this and I see that the temperature is down here, it's really, really cold. And maybe there might even be snow, okay? If I see that the temperature is over here, 80, it's hot outside. So the higher the temperature goes, the hotter it gets. And between each of these lines, they count as 2. So it's like 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So each line counts as 2, okay? So this is what I want you to do. I want you to have your mom look up on her phone what the temperature is today, and you write it up here. And then you can write, what type of day is it? Is it cold, warm, cool, or hot? Okay? And then you can do the same thing here. If you want, you could even do, this is what we would have done if we would have been in the class. Like in the morning, what is the temperature? Sometimes it's cooler in the morning, and then it gets hotter during the day, and the temperature rises. Okay? Now, and the same thing here. The temperature of our classroom, the temperature of water from our drinking fountain. You don't have to do this, okay? So just don't do this. Just do this page. You can do the temperature in the morning and the temperature in the afternoon, okay? And this is it. So that is lesson 128. And I will put lesson 129 in a little bit. All right, first grade, have a beautiful day.